Hi guys! So for this video, we went camping at Canoe Creek State Park. Please enjoy the video. Bye! Hi guys! We're camping at Canoe Creek State Park in this lovely cabin. And it's snowing outside and it's only 20 degrees, but it feels like 8 degrees.
And we are just starting to go on a hike, and we have set up our cabin.
So we're about to go off on the Limestone trail that leads to the Limestone kilns at this park. And I'm super excited to see it. I think it's gonna be really cool. Hi guys! We're here at the Limestone kiln on the trail. You can go in.
It looks like a ruins, something like a ruins from Star Wars or something like that.
And you can go inside of them, and they're really, really cool. Hi, we're here at the Quarry at Canoe Creek State Park. We just kind of climbed up of it, and in the quarry they would mine rocks, and this rock that I'm sitting on right now would be used for to burn in the kilns. Okay, so according to the sign on this bridge, somebody named Emmett Dolphin built this bridge, and that is the best last name in the world.
Yes, the best last name in the world. We're going on the Sugarloaf trail. It goes over the dam. It's about like a mile long now. So if you're gonna go on this trail, you're gonna have to cross this.
So we got to the other side of the lake on a different trail than the one that we were taking before. But let me tell you about the trail we were taking before. It's called the Sugarloaf Trail, and it was fine for most of the trail. But then it got to this really high mountain part. There was a trail that was like this big. This big. So hard to walk on. And it says more difficult hiking, but it's really the most difficult hiking ever. So I would not recommend this trail, but you know, you can do it if you want to. Bye! Hi guys, so it's the end of our camping trip, and I'm gonna give this park a number grade, so I give it a 3. And the reason I gave it a 3 is because I don't think that it has enough trees. It's not really in the woods that much. And I really did enjoy the hiking, and I thought it was fun and treacherous. And the cabins are really nice here. There was a lot of like fields, kind of like corn, I guess. Not corn. It's like long grasses here. But overall, I thought it was a really nice park. Bye, guys! Meow.